Hi, I am here to talk about Manjula. Manjula has been a great coach and a trainer when it comes to law of attraction and when it comes to several other things that is related to the mind and to creating your habits, creating new beliefs that help you personally develop in many areas of life. I had a one-to-one session with Manjula to start with, which was very, very helpful. It really opened up my thoughts and beliefs about my own life and my own stories. She really got to the root of what was happening, why I had problems or what I was going through and how I could resolve it. I also had I did this other 2-day workshop with her, which was about mastering your mind, which is again related to developing habits and learning about these techniques that help you in breaking the pattern of your beliefs, of your excuses, your stories. Just helps you understand how you can make your life easy and how you can live the life you really want. We've also been doing a 30-day workshop with her, and that's really helped in cultivating new habits, bettering your just way of looking at life, breaking the pattern again, and more than anything, meditation. She does amazing meditations with us every day, and teaches us other techniques that help in rewiring your subconscious. It's tremendously helped me in ways I can't even express to you, and this video is not enough for that. I could just go on about how amazing she is and how committed she is to helping each one of us. I feel really fortunate to have found her, and I feel so happy just to know that there are people like her who are so committed and dedicated in helping others. She really has been a boon to all of us, giving us all the knowledge, sharing all of that she's learned in her years of uncovering law of attraction and just basically everything that is metaphysics or quantum physics. She really knows her stuff, and she's not held back any knowledge. She just gives it and gives it out to us each day, every day. She repeats it over and over again. Any new information she has, she shares it with us and makes sure that we do our homework, which is given to us on a daily basis. It just helps to build your confidence, and it helps to build new patterns, new beliefs about things that are very, very important in your lives, like money, health, happiness, relationships. We work pretty much on all areas of life when you're working with Manjula. I'm ecstatic about using these techniques and tools. I'm really, really grateful to Manjula for doing this, just for being there. Thank you, Manjula. And anybody you come across an opportunity to work with her, please do take it up. Please take it up. It'll be really, really, really good for you. And yeah, you wouldn't in any way look back. Thank you.